Big breaking news that's coming in. There's been an issue of power supply failure in Mumbai, a grid failure in Mumbai metropolitan region. BEST, which supplies electricity in Mumbai township, has said that a grid failure at a plant which supplies electricity is the cause for a blackout. We understand that the areas that have been affected are Mumbai's eastern western suburbs as well as parts of Thane, all of whom don't have electricity. We're going to be getting you more details on this, but it's because of a grid failure, according to BEST, that's led to this power outage. Most parts of Mumbai, we understand today, are without power at this point. We are hoping to get some official word from BEST on how long it will really take to ensure that the power grid is back up and that power is restored in most parts of Mumbai. The information we have at hand is that Mumbai's eastern and western suburbs are without electricity, parts of Thane too. Mustafa is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, how long has power not been there? Any statement from BEST on when power can be restored?
Well, the agency is not BEST, it's the Tata which supplies the electricity grid to all over the Mumbai metropolitan region. We are talking about a huge area. BST is only a power supply in the area of township. There are suburban areas, but we are at the Crawford Market town area. We will see a commercial shops here, but there is no electricity inside the banks, inside other commercial establishments. It's 10 a.m. There is no electricity. Slowly, one realized that it's a larger problem. It's a bigger problem. Entire Mumbai metropolitan region, which is outside the city of Mumbai also, there is no power supply, there is no electric supply. What is being said is that there is a grid, power grid, which supplies electricity to BEST, to Adani, to other power suppliers. That there is a failure in that grid, and hence the entire blackout which is being seen in the Mumbai metropolitan region. Back to you.
Mustafa, just elaborate for us, which are the parts of Mumbai which have seen a power outage at this point?
There are many reports which are coming in from different parts of Mumbai, which are people in which area the electricity is not there. There is Kolaba, there is basically Navi Mumbai area, which is neighborhood of Mumbai. There are western suburbs, there are eastern suburbs like Chembur, Ghatkopar area, and entire patch in the Mumbai. There are multiple areas from where the reports of power failure is coming at this point of time. So as you were saying, that it's a huge power failure. It's a complete grid which supplies to the entire city, and even more than the city, the Mumbai metropolitan region has Vasai Virar areas, has Navi Mumbai like areas, has areas beyond Thane, Mira Road, and all these areas are now basically witnessing a power failure due to a major grid failure which has taken place this Monday morning, and hence we are seeing that the operations are a bit affected of the commercial shop which start on Monday. There are banks we are seeing when customers are entering, there is entire blackout in the area, and this is not being felt so much because of the daylight, but yes, the entire area, we are near Commissioner Office of Mumbai, is suffering with a blackout. There is power failure, and due to a major power failure, due to grid failure in the power plant which supplies electricity to entire Mumbai's metropolitan region. Back to you.
Rare, Mustafa, that you see this kind of a power outage in a city like Mumbai. It's very rare, really, that power at all goes in the city. And now there's been an outage, we understand, in most parts of Mumbai. Is it expected that, in a few hours the power will be restored, or this could perhaps take even the entire day? Because we understand that this is a major grid failure.
Well, yes, Akshita, first remains is to how we understand the problem. The problem, from the information we are getting from the base, there is a multiple tripping of lines and transformer which is placed in the central suburbs outside Mumbai, which is the Kalwa Padga area, and supplying power to Mumbai system. These are the three supply, Kharghar, Padga and Kalwa. These are the three ICTs which supply the power to the city of Mumbai. And basically, due to these power failures, there is a problem of electricity in the city of Mumbai. The restoration is under process, and power cut across Mumbai. The BEST, which supplies powers in Mumbai, has said in their official basically tweet that the electric supply is interrupted due to Tata's incoming electric supply failure. So we'll have to understand the entire process which agency runs the power grid, how it's supplied. But the BEST, which supplies in the town areas of Mumbai, they are saying that the power supply tripping has been interrupted due to Tata's incoming electric supply failure. So the grid from which BEST gets electricity supply, the Tata's grid, that has failed, and hence the entire Mumbai is witnessing this power outage on a Monday morning. And the restoration process at the major plants which supply electricity to Mumbai are outside Mumbai, out in the outskirts, in the suburban areas outside Mumbai. So restoration process out there is on, but yes, it will lead to some effect on the normal usual business and activity because the electricity supply is not there. Customers who come out, they will be suffering some problems. Some work which cannot take place without electricity will be totally affected in areas of Mumbai, in areas of Mumbai suburban, in areas outside Mumbai, because the problem, as we are saying, is a big power failure, is a big grid failure in the metropolitan region of Mumbai, which has not only the city of Mumbai, but entire extension of the city of Mumbai. It comes under the MMR, and there's a power grid failure we are getting to here. The BEST, which supplies electricity to Mumbai's township, has clarified that this is due to an interruption of power from the Tata's grid, which they get. There is an interruption from there, and hence the electricity supply has been affected. Back to you.
Let's hope that power is restored as soon as possible and that Mumbai is not plunged into darkness come evening. Mustafa, stay on with us. Another story from Mumbai also that we're tracking this morning.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.